To enable or disable Do Not Disturb on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can open Settings. Next in Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Sound and Vibration. And then in here in Sound Options section, you should be able to find Do Not Disturb, which can be easily enabled or disabled just by tapping on this switcher over here. Besides that, DND mode can be found in the Control Center or Quick Settings, but usually you have to add the DND button in here, so you can tap on Edit, and then in System Toggles you should be able to find DND, which is this moon icon. We can add it to the list, tap on this check, so you can now toggle DND mode by using this button in here. And also, if you press and hold your finger on the media volume bar, you can open this panel where we can also find Do Not Disturb in here. And last but not least, if you press volume up or volume down, you adjust of course the media volume level, but here we can also find this moon icon that we can use to toggle DND mode. Leave a like and subscribe.